Hi guys, how are you today? Happy Easter! Today special day because we're gonna celebrate a little bit Easter with John. We're going to Green Manga to have some meal and drink, and later probably we're going to continue to celebrate in some bars. But before that, right now I'm going to IKEA again because I'm very satisfied with mattress I did buy before, but my thought that I'm gonna buy thinner mattress, which is good to another single bed for me. And follow me guys to IKEA and continue follow me later as well.
Like you.
Is my face changing color?
Yeah.
mattresses. I'm gonna choose and see. And you can see prices. Different kind of sizes. With the different kind of prices. This is not good. This one, I think this one, and I need size, this one, 80-200. I bought mattress, you can see the price. Happy. Where is John? Where is John? Oh. You like this room? This is for baby. You are baby room.
I'm nursing.
You are nursing?
I like dinosaurs.
This is your favorite?
No.
No? Definitely I'm gonna buy this lampa. Lamp, not lampa. Yeah guys, I changed my mind because I have a lot of lamps in my home, and most of the time I'm going out and take clips and editing a lot of clips, so it's not necessary to have this table lamp. No. New mattress.
It's not a thing here. Left this side.
Happy Easter, John. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Nice one. It's Labonvi, and later we're going tonight to Green Manga. Follow us, guys. I'm waiting for John to go to Green Manga. I'm ready. It was wonderful time to spend in IKEA and Napoli. Now I'm going to have a supper. Follow me, guys. Green Manga. Wonderful place. My favorite food, Thai food. Oh, John. Yes, thank you. It's very kind of you.
Quilla.
No, I don't know. I never drink that one. Maybe it's Thai one. John. Maybe Thai. Okay, happy. I said Happy New Year. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Sort of joking.
And all the other holidays just in case.
Yeah, it's just holiday, like a Christmas time holiday. Happy Easter. I'm just joking, guys. You know, it's just I feel like that when you choose a happy holiday. I hope you enjoy this happy Easter is all we enjoy. Home or away, or went somewhere or with the families or with the friends. Very good. Happy Easter. Waiting for food. Look at that. This is my favorite. Coconut milk, curry, everything is on a plate. Yeah. Beautiful, smell beautiful. And rice here, still my wine. And John, can you explain what you got on your plate?
No. Chicken. Salad, spring onions, some carrots, cashews, and chili. Some spicy one.
Good. Good appetite.
Thank you. You too.
Good appetite. Who is eating with us this lovely happy Easter. And of course cheese. Food is very tasty, spicy, tasty. Still eating. John, do you enjoy?
Yeah, very spicy.
Tasty. Enjoy, John?
Yes.
Me too. Still have wine. We finished that and where are we going to? Don't know. Okay, we don't know. John, very nice. Dina over here. Thank you for beautiful Dina. Oh, you can supper. You say supper because it's Dina. Soha next, guys. Follow us to Soha. Enjoy gin and tonic. Only gin and tonic we drink in there. Nothing else. Well, I still have wine. I put some ice because I couldn't drink without. It has to be cool for me. It has to be cool for me. I cannot drink this warm, room temperature. I mean, really, it's the best, coolest one. Nice, red like my lipstick. Going to Soho. And we in Soho now. Look at that red color around us. Say hello, John.
Hello.
He has nuts. No, little bit stony. But you're okay now. Happy Easter. Gin and tonic, cucumber, sliced cucumber, and you have a lemon. Yeah. Cheers, John. Cheers. Cheers. This wonderful drink is usual in Stockholm. Very tasty. Trust me. Now we're sitting in our chairs. We used to sit in Soha. Leopard. With this lovely gin and tonic.
Yes, of course. Wonderful evening. Wonderful evening with John. John is over there. Wonderful place, Soha. We carry on this Easter.
Thank you.
Going out. After that, Soha, we went to Labonvi and Mrs. Brown, and then I'm home. And guys, thank you for watching. And if you didn't subscribe please, appreciate. And see you soon. Bye.